Hi people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Tenggara. Right now I am one of district in Aceh. We call my Uber area Aceh Tenggara. You know what? Western in Aceh. This just this is the Alas River. Every single day, every single week, a lot of tourists or trainer or stranger visit here. Rafting here, rafting here. This is very beautiful panorama. You know what? How many land is 1,600 meters. Every single day, a lot of people, they're swimming here, they're rafting here. And then here, the Katambe village, we prepare for, cottage. And then dormitory. And then this guy can speak, many languages, French, Dutch, and then English, Mandarin, German, Portuguese, language here. So, if you want to visit Aceh, don't forget to come Katambe or Aceh Tenggara. We call that Kuta Chane. This is one of district, because of part of one of district in Aceh, almost 16 hours from international airport. If you want to visit Aceh, we have almost 6 airport in Aceh. Simulu Airport, and then Labu Airport. And then Blambi Airport, Brunei Airport, Blancaja Airport. The big one, original airport, is Sultan Muda. So, don't be afraid. If you want to visit Aceh, Aceh has preparing about tourist guide, can speak in languages, and that Aceh is very welcoming for a lot of people to visit Aceh. Don't be afraid, because Aceh is very hot weather. Alright, that's all for now.